logged into our compounded nutrients formulator, you can click on to formula list to go to your formulas. Again, as a reminder, our compounded nutrients option is to be able to create formulas to carry in your practice. Kind of minimum order is 24 bottles. So I'm going to walk you through an example of formulating an immunity formula. Let's say we want 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, some vitamin D in there, some zinc, quercetin, and then obviously you get the idea. You can put exactly what you'd like in the formula. It's going to show you here what your estimated serving size is. So you can see we're taking 2.2 capsules a day, which will be rounded to 3 capsules. And then if you click on save and order, this is where you're going to be able to control how many servings per bottle and how many bottles. So servings per bottle, let's say we want 30 servings per bottle. You can see our minimum order quantity, if you want to click on 24, is 24. Here, you'll see the testing fee. So anything under 60 bottles will have a testing fee associated with it. At 24 bottles, that testing fee is $5, and you can see the average bottle price is $22.27, so it's a total of $27.27 per bottle, which will give you this price. But you can see if you go up to 60 bottles, you'll see your price will come down to $16.52. So depending on how many bottles you want to order, you can see what the price would be. But obviously, the more that you order, the lower the price will be. You can see at 120 bottles, now we're at $13.87 a bottle. So once you've settled on the servings per bottle and the amount of bottles you want to order, you can click checkout. You'll see here that shipping is included, and you will just put where you'd like the product shipped. You put your credit card information here and the billing information, and then click process, and then you'll be checked out, and you'll see your order confirmation page that will get emailed to you.